Hello, my gladiators. Welcome to Miss Martinez Schoology page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly walk you through Schoology. We're going to go through it again tomorrow, but just so you have an idea what Schoology is about and how you're going to locate your classes. All right, so let's say you are in my first period. You would click on your social studies page if it comes up. All right. And in Schoology, what you will see is basically what I see is what you see. Other than just a few of these things that I see here on the left, you will not see. Okay? But for the most part, everything from this box over and everything up here is the exact same thing that you have. All right? So you will have your welcome message. Your welcome message will display some information about me. Here's my card. Here's a video that I made for you. Here, if you click where it says Zoom first period social studies, every class period will see this in blue right near the business card. That is your Zoom session. Here, it will tell you the time. So if your first period, please join our daily video conferencing session at 8:40 using this link. So if your first period or whatever class period you are, you're going to use this link. It is very important that you sign into your class, okay? Because in your class, we're going to go over the instructions. We're going to go over some things that are really important. So I cannot stress that enough how important it is for you to sign in during your class time. Okay, every single day. All right, so that's your welcome message. Now this is some information. Before I click on this, let me just tell you what this is. So every week you're going to see your folders, and your folders will give you the date. So here's week of August 24th through 28, 2020. We're going to click on that in a little bit. Every week you're going to look for the date, the day of the week, and that's the week that you're going to click on. Okay? Because after Friday, this will still be on there, but you won't be able to click on it. So, but that's only so we can keep tracking it, so that way you don't get overwhelmed with all the folders. So the best way is for us to label them by dates. Okay? This information right here is called your course information resources. It says, hello, in this folder, you'll be able to locate the following items: your syllabus and Google Parent Form, your class Zoom norms, your class bell schedule, grading information, and how to use Schoology. Okay, so if I were to click on this, it's listed exactly how you just saw it. Okay, the syllabus is right here. It's really important that you read the syllabus with your parents. Here's the parent form. This form is extremely important for your parents to fill out. Okay, the reason I need them to fill this out is because every Sunday I communicate to your parents. If I don't have an email, I cannot send them information about what we did the week before, or what we're going to do. So every Sunday they get very important information from me. Okay. And it also tells them that once they receive that email, that means grades are in hack. Okay. Grades are graded every single Sunday. And once your parents get my email, that means I've already put grades in hack. Okay, I only grade on Sundays. So that's the only day I grade. All right. Here is class norms, bell schedule, and grading information. So if you click on that, hopefully it'll come up. It's a little slow. You will see here some information about grading policies. Here, the classroom Zoom norms. And here is the Hector Garcia bell schedule. You could probably click on this and download it and save it to your desktop, so you know what classes, what time your classes will be. Okay. All right. So if I go back, takes us back to the front page. Here is your academic coach information. If you click on that, Now, the great thing about Garcia Middle School is that we share academic coaching. Okay, that is something that we do at our school. And basically, what that means is that if I'm unavailable and I can't help you on a day that you need help for academic coaching, you can always go to any of the other sixth grade social studies teachers for academic coaching. Okay, this is the schedule. These are the links. You just click on the links. There's always someone available. Now, on Thursday morning, well, we don't have academic coaching Monday afternoons because we have meetings. But on Thursday morning, Friday morning, or Friday afternoon, we have no academic coaching, but you can always request an appointment. Okay, well, we would be happy to help you. Okay, all right. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the folder that you will click on every single day. So we're going to start with the week of August 24th through the 28th. Okay. You're going to click on your folder. Right here, your week at a glance, this is going to be your assignments. This is where you will see you'll kind of have an idea about what we will be working on for that week. If you want, like, I wonder what we're going to be working on that week. It's going to be here. Okay. You're also going to find your Zoom link for your class period. In case you forget, it's in the business card. You can always find it in your template. These are the activities that we will be working on this week. Okay. But you're like, okay, but it just tells me what we'll be working on. Where are my assignments? So you're going to go back to August 24th. And here are your assignments. Your assignments are going to be listed by day of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's say it's tomorrow. We click on Monday. Now, you won't be able to see it today because technically it's not open until tomorrow morning, but this is where your assignments are. This is what you and I will be looking at when we go online tomorrow virtually. Okay. All assignments need to be completed by 11:59 p.m. All right. So every day you're going to click into not on your Zoom, but you're also going to click into your assignments. You follow the directions, and every single day I'm also going to make a video for you, giving you an explanation of what you have to do. Now, over here where this little bell is, these are your notifications. These are messages that have come in. Perhaps I sent you a reply to a comment on one of the class discussions. You're going to see it here. You'll see a number there. Okay. If you click here, you can compose a message. You could send me a message. You could say new message. And on my business card, you'll find my email address, because you're not going to send emails any longer through your student portal like you used to do. You'll be sending emails here through Schoology. I mean, you can do it, but preferably we actually prefer that you do it from here. Okay? All right. Here, let's see if it comes up. I don't know why it's so slow. This is the most important thing, my friends. This is your calendar. Okay, so right now this calendar is set up for Miss Martinez. So these are things that I have to do. But on Monday, and once I start releasing the assignments on the calendar, it's going to tell you when it's due. Okay, some assignments don't, like for this week, they all have to be done by 11:59 p.m. that day. But there's going to be times when I give you an assignment, let's say on Monday, and it won't be due till Thursday. So if I assign, let's say I did this tomorrow. If I assigned it here on Monday the 24th, then on the calendar, it's going to tell you assignment due right here. This will be for all your classes. Okay. I mean, unfortunately, it's not linked to every single class to see it all at once, but you'll be able to see all of your classes by looking at your calendars. All right. We don't have the App Center yet, and here's the search bar. And you really don't have any searches to look for right now, and we will slowly go through that over time. Okay. So that's how you will work Schoology. I'm so excited for you. Now, there is a website, and I'm gonna post that in Schoology in the welcome category. I'll post it in a little bit so you can have an idea how to use Schoology. Okay, and I'll add it down here in a bit. All right, but we will be going through this tomorrow. I'm super excited. Please practice Schoology for now, okay? And go to the link and just familiarize yourself. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.